Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be demonstrating how to use the WWave Volume Pro indicator to identify reversals in market trends. Whether you are a price action trader or someone who incorporates volume analysis into your daily trading strategies, this volume indicator will prove to be immensely helpful. So, without further ado, let's dive straight in and get started. We are on the Nasdaq King Renko 9-3 chart. The subpanel displayed here showcases the accumulated volume histogram generated by WWave Volume Pro. The blue clusters represent the accumulation of buy volume during uptrends, while the pink clusters indicate the accumulation of sell volume during downtrends. Here are the signals generated by WWave Volume Pro that can be used for trend identification or as entry signals. As you can see, I'm utilizing WWave Volume Pro along with Zigzag Swing Pro. The reason behind this pairing is that WWave Volume Pro provides a visual representation of the accumulated buy and sell volume over time, while Zigzag Swing Pro offers precise accumulated volume values for swing points. By combining these two indicators, you will strengthen your analysis of buy and sell momentum, making more informed judgments compared to relying solely on a single indicator. Here are the parameters for WWave Volume Pro. It is important to note that when utilizing Renko candles, you should set the volume filter section to a value of 5. And these are the parameters of Zigzag Swing Pro. Here, when the volume enabled option is selected, we will know the accumulated volume at each swing point, which provides additional confirmation of volume changes. As evident from the chart, the price initially follows an upward trajectory along the trend line but later changes direction and cuts through the trend line. At the point where the trend line is broken, WWave Volume Pro indicates a decrease in buy volume alongside an increase in sell volume. Consequently, we will be focusing on identifying a sell signal in this scenario. To further enhance your anticipation, you can examine the swing points provided by Zigzag Swing Pro. In this case, the volume at the tops has decreased from 1300 to 358, and the volume at the bottoms has increased from 1300 to 1400. These volume changes align with the change in volume indicated by WWave Volume Pro. Next, I will draw a resistance zone at the level where the trend line is violated. As you can see, the price revisits the resistance zone, but instead of breaking through, rebounds from it once again. Based on this observation, I will enter a sell position at this signal here, which is generated by WWave Volume Pro. You can see that the volume at the bottoms has increased from 1400 to 2300. Additionally, there is an increase in the clusters of sell volume, indicating an upward momentum in selling pressure. However, it is worth noting that the buy volume has also increased. Therefore, this is not an opportune moment to search for signals. You can observe that the price has broken the trend line. At the point of trendline breakage, there is a decrease in the buy clusters indicated by WWave Volume Pro, and the volume of tops identified by Zigzag Swing Pro has also declined from 3,500 to 3,300. Additionally, the sell volume shown by WWave Volume Pro is on the rise. Based on these observations, I will conclude that the market is likely to undergo a downward reversal, and I will search for a sell signal. In this instance, I will draw a resistance zone at the reversal bar, which is situated at approximately 50% of the price retracement. Because the price returns to the resistance zone but fails to break through, bouncing off it once again, I will execute a sell trade when receiving a bearish signal indicated by WWave Volume Pro. During this period, it is evident that the sell volume is remarkably robust, as indicated by the escalating sell volume clusters of WWave Volume Pro, whereas the buy volume remains considerably weak. Based on this observation, I will proceed with placing a sell order at this signal. Here, we can observe that the price has surpassed the downward trend line. Consequently, I will now analyze the volume at this particular point. The volume at the swing bottoms provided by Zigzag Swing Pro decreased from 1300 to 784, and WWave Volume Pro also indicated a decline in sell volume. On the other hand, the buy volume experienced a significant surge. Given these observations, I will proceed to draw a support zone at the reversal bar, positioned around the 50% mark of the price retracement. Since the price did not surpass the support zone but instead rebounded, I will initiate a buy order at this signal. It is obvious here that the upward trend line has been broken. The volume of tops has decreased, along with a decline in buy volume clusters, while the sell volume indicated by WWave Volume Pro has increased. These observations suggest a sell signal. Next, I will draw a resistance zone at the reversal bar where the trend line was violated. Although the price approaches the resistance zone, it rebounds instead of breaking through. Considering this observation, I will enter a sell position at this signal generated by WWave Volume Pro. Let's once again look at our entire analysis from the start of the video until the end. We are excited to share more valuable indicators with you in the future. So, make sure to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell to stay connected. Thank you for watching.